Database Management Systems. In this video, we discuss about PLSQL implicit cursor concept. I am Mrs. S. Vanitha. Oracle creates a memory area known as the context area for processing the SQL statements. A cursor is a pointer to this context area. That is, the Oracle server will create a memory area and all the rows from the table or the particular set of rows from the table will be fetched into this memory area and it will be processed. A cursor holds the rows returned by a SQL statement. The set of rows in the cursor at a moment is called as active set. For example, if there are 7 rows are there in the cursor at a moment, then all the 7 rows we call it as the active set. We can name the cursor so that it will be easy to refer in our programs to fetch and process the rows returned by the SQL statement. There are two types of cursors, implicit cursor and explicit cursor. Implicit cursors are automatically created by Oracle whenever an SQL statement is executed. Whenever a DML statement like insert, update or delete is issued, an implicit cursor is associated with this statement. For insert operations, the cursor holds the data that needs to be inserted. For delete and update statements or operations, the cursor identifies the rows that could be affected. In PLSQL, we can refer the most recent implicit cursor as SQL cursor. It has attributes such as %found, is open, not found, row count, etc. The SQL cursor has additional attributes like bulk row count and bulk exceptions. %found. It returns true if an insert, update or delete statement affects one or more rows, or a select into statement returns one or more rows. Otherwise, the value will be false. %not found. It returns true if the statements affects no rows. If the DML statement does not affect any rows, then it will return the value as true. Otherwise, it returns false. Is open. It always returns false for implicit cursor because the Oracle closes the SQL cursor automatically after executing its associated SQL statement. Row count. It returns the number of rows affected by the DML statement. Any SQL cursor attribute will be accessed as SQL %attribute name. So for example, SQL %not found, is open, found, etc. Here we discuss an program for the concept implicit cursor. All employee salary will be updated using the program. And the row count attribute determine how many rows are affected by the program. The program will modify the salary values of the employee table. This is the program. Here we can see declare the variable. This particular variable total is used to store the row count and the data type is number. Begin is the keyword and here this is the update statement to change the or modify the value of the salary. So I modify the salary value by 1000, increment the value by 1000. If SQL %not found, if no rows are affected, then it will display no employee selected or no employee values are processed. This is the output statement. Else if SQL %found, If any rows are getting affected or processed by this update statement, and then the total row count or the total number of rows affected by the update statement will be stored in this particular variable total. It will display the row count. This is the output statement to display the row count. We will see the demo for this particular program. Already I have created the employee table. So we see the rows in the table. So we can see there are 4 rows in this table, and we will execute the PLSQL program and see the output now. So this is the program. Now we execute this program and see the output. So this program has been executed successfully and all 4 rows are updated. We will verify that using a select statement. So we can see all the salary values are updated. Hope you understand this demo. Thank you.